This is Julius again from Ojasweb Digital Solution. In this video, I want to show you how to fix one major problem with Instabuilder. If you have been using Instabuilder to design sales page for your business, you might have come across this particular problem at some point, and the problem is very easy to fix. So what I want to do in this video is I want to show you exactly how to fix that problem. And what is this problem I'm talking about? In some situation, you will be adding some images to your sales page. For example, on this particular sales page, if I go ahead and add image element to this particular sales page, maybe I add it here. At some point, you will notice you will not be able to edit this particular image placeholder. If you try to add image to this particular page, it won't show the image, and at the end of the day, if you try to delete this particular element, it won't be deleted on that particular page. So in this situation, you will realize that it will appear as if the image element is no longer on the page, but when you go to the sales page from the front end, you will realize the element will display just like what you are seeing on this particular browser. So what you want to do now is you want to remove this particular placeholder from your sales page because you don't want your website visitors to see this kind of thing on your website. So in some situation, you will find it very difficult to remove that placeholder because it won't be visible to you when you are working on that particular sales page, but when you go to the front end, you will be seeing that placeholder. And I must be honest, this is not a very good thing. You don't want it to happen to you, and you want to remove that placeholder as fast as possible. So what you want to do now is, if I am in that situation, for example, I added this image element and I wanted to add an image to this particular page, but what you notice is that you are unable to add the image, or maybe after you added the image, you try to go ahead and remove the image, but it is not being removed. You click on delete and you see the image seems to be deleted, but at the end of everything, you realize it is still present in that particular page. For example, if I go ahead and put maybe code element, and maybe I edited this, let's edit this and remove this text and see, let's save it. Now I saved it. So I removed the text and I can see that the code element is still present there. This is exactly how it will look like if you have image element and you try to delete the image, but you will see that it is not showing any image here. However, if you go to the front page, this is what you'll be seeing. The placeholder will remain on the front page. So you will realize that all your attempts to remove this particular image placeholder is futile. So if you move your mouse to the image placeholder, you will be able to select this particular, but you might not be able to edit it. So what you will do is that you will move your mouse toward this particular placeholder and you will try and drag this particular placeholder from this particular position to the bottom of the page. But before you do that, what you do is you need to add a new section to the bottom of this particular page. So I will go straight to the bottom, but before that, let me see the position of this particular element. Now I know the position of this element. I will go to the bottom because what I want to do is I want to drag this particular element to the bottom and put it in another section so that I can delete the section altogether with this particular image placeholder. So I will go to the bottom now and I will see I will be able to add a new section to the page. I want to remove this section. For example, I remove this section, then I go to the section, or if any of the section, you can add the section or the wide section. Let me just add the ordinary section and see I will be able to add the section here. Now I've added a new section to the bottom of the page. I will go back to the image placeholder in my browser. I think this is the image placeholder, for example. So I want to drag this placeholder. Since I'm unable to remove it from here, in this situation, I want to drag it down to the bottom. And when I drag it to the bottom, I will drag it inside the new section. Because if I want to delete the section, you know, everything in this particular page is one section in most situations. But what I want to do now is I want to drag the image placeholder into a new section. You see, I added a new section. So this is it. If you see it now, this is a new section. Now you see the image placeholder has been dragged from the top to the bottom, and now it is placed inside a new section. What I want to do is I just want to delete the section. I'm not going to be able to delete the image placeholder itself if you are facing this problem. So what you want to do is you want to delete the section you place it in. Now if I go ahead and click now and delete, you will see I will delete the section and the content of the section. So you can see if you drag that placeholder from wherever it is from your sales page down down to a new section, you will be able to delete the section and the content of the section, and that way you will be able to delete that placeholder that is appearing on your front page. This is how I delete this kind of image placeholder from my sales page, because this is not good things for the users to be seeing on your website. I believe you will be able to delete this kind of image placeholder from your sales page. Go ahead and try it and give me feedback if it works for you. Thanks for watching the video, and bye for now.